And today, the final hearing in the lawsuit against the city of Memphis, where several women are accusing the city of mishandling the testing of some 12,000 rape kits. Stephen Reels is here now to break down where we are in the case. Stephen.
Well, Pepper, this all starts back in 2014 when news of a DNA rape kit test backlog first came to light. A final hearing was scheduled back in October, but the lawyers representing the women who call themselves Janet Doe said new information has come to light. For almost 20 years, the city has argued it didn't have the capability to meet the TBI mandate for testing rape kits. But in today's testimony, witness Joe Miner from the TBI's DNA unit said that's just not true. Attorneys for Janet Doe pounced on that testimony.
He is the only person who knows that's before this court what their testing capability was, and he simply says if the city says that they could not send us, TBI, non-suspect DNA testing before 2002, they're just wrong. Every law enforcement agency in the state of Tennessee could, and some did, do it.
Now it's up to Judge Gina Higgins to decide, but one thing we know for sure is whoever's at fault, the backlog of rape kit testing has had major ramifications for years and years, including the Eliza Fletcher case. State Representative Antonio Parkinson from Memphis says he's been trying to address this backlog through legislation since 2014. His bill would require that TBI test rape kits within 30 days. It never passed because of the cost involved, but this year he hopes it's different due to the Fletcher case. The suspect in her kidnapping and murder had rape kit waiting to be tested for months before she was killed.
If that law had passed, the positive DNA hit to Cleotha Abstinence DNA in the Alicia Franklin case would have came back in time for Cleotha Abstinence to be in jail. And had he been in jail, he would never encountered Eliza Fletcher.
And it looks like Parkinson's bill might pass this year. It has already cleared 2 out of the 4 committees. Rudy and Pepper.